Hello guys, this is Jamal again from Inverness, and this is a place in Inverness called Cromarty. So it's one of the beautiful places there to see of Cromarty. And I'm here live. I wish if I can go live. I don't have enough subscribers, otherwise I would have shown you lives. How beautiful it is. Tell me. I always tell you guys, we need to learn how to live this life. Spend time on ourselves, invest time on ourselves, on our souls. Making money and running behind worldly stuff is not all you need. Yes, at some extent, at a limit, you need money. But make it the purpose of life. Forget yourself, forget your family, forget everything. That is not a balanced life. So we need to give some time to ourselves, to our family. It's important. What's the point of that money and that retirement money and that wealth? After retirement, you get old, you can't talk, and then you come to such places. So it's not worth it. All those still good. At least you get something in your last age. But best thing is in young age, you invest your time on yourself, family, kids, children. How many people have come across? They made millions and millions, and at the end of the day, they are alone. Their children left them. Why? Because they provided everything except their